The heartwarming story of a stray dog's journey from the streets to a loving home. Once abandoned and alone, this pup found himself wandering the busy streets with no one to turn to. But one day, he was rescued by a kind-hearted person who took him in and gave him the love and care he deserved. Now, he spends his days lounging in the sun, playing with his toys, and snuggling up with his new family. This story is a reminder that even the smallest acts of kindness can make a big difference in the lives of animals in need. If you're considering adopting a pet, consider adopting a rescue animal like this furry friend who is now living his best life. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share this message of compassion and love.